Today we are learning to make this granny square crossbody bag. We just need 4 granny square to make this beautiful crossbody bag. We need different color of yarn, and I'm using 2mm crochet hook, 1 tapestry needle and 1 scissor. We need 4 square to make this crossbody bag. It's absolute beginner friendly. Let's begin. Make 1 magic ring. Our magic ring is ready. Now chain 2, 1, 2 and make 2 double crochet in this magic ring. Count this chain as 1 double crochet, and I made 2 double crochet. In total there is 3 double crochet, and make chain 2. Again make 3 double crochet in same space. Two, two chain, make 3 double crochet. Two chain, 3 double crochet. Now tie this magic ring. 2 chain and slip stitch in the very first chain that we counted as 1 double crochet. Our granny square center is now ready. What we did is 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet and 2 chain. We made 4th set of 3 double crochet and 4th set of 2 chain. That will turn into the 4 corner, which will be our granny square's corner. Let's start our next round. Slip stitch in the next chain and slip stitch in the chain space and 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now make 2 double crochet and count this chain as 1 double crochet. So in total 3 double crochet in chain space, make 2 chain and make 3 double crochet in same space again. Again make 2 chain and make 2 set of 3 double crochet in between 2 chain in the same space like this. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in same space. Our 2 corner is ready. 2 corner is left to complete. Please complete it on your own. Make 2 chain after each 3 double crochet. That is the trick of this granny square. So our 4 corner is created. Now let's make 2 chain, and to join the round do not forget to insert the hook in the very first double crochet's V space and slip stitch in the next and slip stitch in the chain space. Now I'm gonna change the color. Insert the hook any corner of this 4 square, but I am changing from here where we have completed our first color. Insert the hook here, make one slip knot in this Next color yarn, insert the hook and join the different color. Make chain 3 and including this chain make 3 double crochet. And 2 chain. Do not forget, everywhere after 3 double crochet make 2 chain. That is how this granny square will be developed. And 3 double crochet in same space. Again chain 2 and 3 double crochet in this chain space. Again chain 2 and 2 set of 3 double crochet and 2 chain in between in this corner. Three double crochet in same space. Two corner is ready. Rest of the process complete on your own and I'll see you there. Slip stitch in next slip stitch in chain space, 3 chain, and again repeat the same process. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Two chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet and create corner. Slip stitch in the very first chain, slip stitch in next, slip stitch in this chain space, chain 1, cut the yarn and we will change the light blue yarn now. Every color we are using for 2 round. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and make 2 double crochet including this chain. There will be 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in same space because this is our corner. 2 and 3, 2 chain and make 3 double crochet in this space. This is the same process and pattern that we have done in the previous round, so please complete on your own. Make 2 rounds using this color. Our 6th round is complete. I'm adding purple color as my last color for this granny square. You can add color as per your choice. Just like the previous round, we are repeating the same process. 3 chain, count this chain as 1 double crochet and make 2 more chain to make 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in same space, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in this space, two chain, 3 double crochet in next space, two chain, 3 double crochet in next space, and we reached here in the corner of the granny square. 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the same space. Just like this, please complete 2 rounds of this color and our granny square will complete. Cut the yarn. Our granny square is ready. Sew and hide all of this extra yarn and make it clean and neat. We need 4 granny squares to make this bag. Now let's sew all of this granny square attaching each other and make one complete crossbody bag. First take 2 granny square facing each other's back side. This is the wrong side which stay inside the bag, inner side. Join like this. First sew this part and take another granny square and join these 2 corners, fold it like this, making triangle, and keep this here and sew this part and this part, this corner to this corner, sew this part, and other side also sew and take another granny square and fold similar like previous one and keep it here and join this corner to this corner and sew here and other side too. Now first let's join this. Join this 2 corner first. Make few knot here. And start sewing here. Insert the hook twice from this chain space to chain space to make more strong and secure. This looks like just wrapping. Insert the needles in this chain and bring the next squares chain, next chain, the next chain of the second granny square, just like this chain. All the chain and all the stitches have same number in all 4 granny squares, so there is no doubt to match with each other's length and size. When you get chain space, do twice there, this chain, complete this lower part and I will join other squares. I joined the corner to corner of the base, 2 granny square each joined. Now let's join another granny square, fold like this, make triangle and put this corner here and join this corner. From this corner to this corner, sew few times. And now start sewing from here to here, just like we did in this side. What I have done is I joined the two square, this button part, and fold this another granny square, and I joined this section. Now I'll make one knot here, and again from here to here I'll sew this, and I leave this section open, and I will join this another granny square here, just like this. Join from here to here and flip and join other side as well. This will be our bag. After joining all 4 granny square, bag look like this. Because of the corner joining, it look a little bit uneven somewhere. So to make it even, we will do single crochet all around. Let's make single crochet all around the border, 2 row, and the bag looks seamless. After single crochet in the border, our bag look like this. This is already beautiful. Now we are going to attach the straps. I'm directly attaching the straps and starting from here. I attach the yarn here for the straps, and I'll chain 200. I'll chain 200 from here. I have made 200 of chain straps. Join it here, join it here, and make one single crochet here, and start single crochet on the chain. Now this is our very first chain. From here start single crochet, make 200 single crochet, and just like this do 200 of single crochet, 8 row, and join 8 time here and 8 time here. When you complete the 200 of single crochet, you reach this side and you join here, and again you do 200 of single crochet, you reach this side and you join here. This is how the straps of this bag will be ready. Alright, after adding the 2 round of single crochet around the borders and adding the straps, 8 row of single crochet and 200 of chain, our crossbody bag look like this. This is very beautiful, easy to carry, and it's look very stylish, elegant, and smart while carrying. About this length of straps, you can adjust as per your height, as per your weight, and as per your requirement or as per your desire. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such video in the future. Thank you for watching.